वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम पढ़ेंगे लोगा एल्गोरिथम क्या होता है और उसका कंप्यूटर में क्या इस्तेमाल है। कंप्यूटर अनफॉर्चुनेटली डू वेल टू कंप्यूटर अनफॉर्चुनेटली डू व्हाट we tell them to do once necessarily what we want them not to do. There must be to be ambiguity in the instruction that we go a computer into our program knows responsibility of or alternate interruption. The computer will always some course of action great required to be taken to ensure there is only one purpose of action. There is one purpose of action. So a computer the average grade on the test seem to be specify the computation we wish to be have performed to have performed in this fact must to emphasize too much detail in left unspecified. For example, what of the grade, how many are there, are the absence in the included, and so on. Here lies the sense of computer programming. Most interesting problem appear to be very complex for a program mining standpoint for some problem. So such as difficult mathematical complexity may be inherent in the problem itself that make cases. In some cases, it can be due to the other factor they may be within the control. For example, control incomplete of our specification of the program. It is a D-level opponent. It's the development of computer program as well. We share complexity. We need to display a program. It can be properly controlled. First, it is important that we separate the problem solving phase of the task for that we will term the implement phase. In this problem solving phase, we are concerned with the design of an ordered sequence of precise steps that determine the solution of given problem. We call this sequence algorithm. Although the term it mean the concept of algorithm should be very familiar. Direction given to very familiar of form of a algorithm, a blueprint of the same purpose in a construction project at Christmas time. Many present standing operating horse fall algorithm for sampling the children newborns new toys. In preparing volume one of the series, the art of computer program mining art of the computer programming nailed auth attempt to track down the origin of the world algorithm and old form algorithm meaning the process of doing algorithm with algebraic numerical numerals was used as far back as Middle Ages. Mathematical horizon believe this word come from the main famous minute city and Arabic of textbook Abu Jar for Muhammad in Musa al Awazidi. Another word algebra comes from the title of his selection. Although Hoth claims that was very algebraic book, over time the algorithm we know we somehow combine the word algorithmic to infinite summations are used to denote way of calculation was infinitely small quantity as invented by Lambist. In modern usage, the usage of algorithm as computational, but some important feature that it part from other process. We will require that our algorithm has two important properties. First, the step in an algorithm this step in an algorithm must be simple and ambiguous and must be lawyers carefully prescribed order. First, it will be instead that algorithm be effective that is game that must always solve the problem in a finite number of steps. We are could if we could ill afford to pay the competitive cost if they are not to the case. In the problem solving phase, we will formulate an algorithm with a minimum amount of detail which expresses the general manner in which the computer could produce the solution of the problem, such as algorithm called general algorithm. We shall tell we shall then detail to the general algorithm in step-by-step manner. The successfully more detailed algorithm are called refinement of the general algorithm. The problem solving phase is complete. With the capabilities of computer to execute the algorithm, we will devote considerable space in the book to design the algorithm. We will be presenting many problems to which computer can be applied algorithm for the solution of this case. Problem will be carefully formulated. पहले जो एल्गोरिथम था उसको पहले किताबों में था, फिर इसका नाम एल्जेब्रिक था, फिर एलोबिगियस था, 3-4 जगहों पे इसका था। फिर उसको कंबाइन करके एक जनरल एल्गोरिथम का नाम दिया गया, जिसमें बहुत से एक एल्गोरिथमिक फार्मूले यूज़ किए गए जो कि पूरे बहुत बड़ी बिग प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए एल्गोरिथम को इस्तेमाल किया था और कॉम्प्लेक्स इस्तेमाल किया जाता था। ओनली आफ्टर वी सेटिस्फाई वी हैव we are satisfied we have formulated a suitable algorithm to return to detail of implementation of the algorithm. In some programming language, given algorithm that is sufficiently precise, the translation to computer program is actually a quite straightforward. Before we considering a method of designing algorithm, we must consider method of expressing the problem we consider in the next session. जैसा कि एल्गोरिथम को एक बेसिकली प्रिस्क्राइब वे में डिज़ाइन किया गया और इसको तकरीबन पहले बुक्स में लिखा गया, फिर इसको कंबाइन करके एक बहुत जनरल बुक बना देगी। आगे इसकी जो 2-3 टाइप्स हैं वो हम अगले लेक्चर में पढ़ेंगे। नैरेटिव डिस्क्रिप्शन, एक्सप्रेसिव एल्गोरिथम, फ्लो चार्ट, इसको जो भी है ना एल्गोरिथम लैंग्वेज हम आगे पढ़ेंगे। हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन के बटन को दबा दें।